Hello everyone and welcome back, and today I will be teaching you how to create subscription product in Shopify. So let's just say you are offering some kind of access to a software and you're selling it onto your Shopify page and you want to sell not the entire product but a subscription based model, right? What you can do is first you need to head over to the App Store because we need to install an external subscription based app. So search in here for subscription and you will have a lot of good apps that offer this service. You can see we have apps still that we can install, highly recommended, and this offers subscription based model. So let's just say you have a weekly subscription. You can select product like for example David Coffee Rich Aroma, and then you can add subscription weekly or monthly. Then you can also make sure that whether it is going to be allowing purchase of product as subscription or not. So that option is exactly what we need, and it is going to be unlocking once you click on install like I have done. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it is going to be loading and you need to install it. So once you do, you need to head up to the product section and select any of product that you want to enable the subscription for and allow it. So this is a really easy way to make your subscription based models working onto your products. And yeah, I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.